Hey, so we've got an AutoDrill 5000 series unit here. You can see this unit has a very sizable motor with the gear reducer for low RPM. It's got a ER32 collet chuck sitting on the front, and this unit will make well over 1,000 pounds of thrust doing a 19 millimeter hole in magnesium for the automotive industry. Now what's cool about this is you've got two of these units over here together doing 19 millimeter holes, but I've got two units over here that are also single spindle, but if you'll see, they are an offset spindle. Now why is that? Same motor, same gear reducer, same thrust and horsepower. However, these are doing 17 millimeter holes in a location that the drill normally would not fit in. And so we made these offset spindle heads. This one here off to the side of the unit, you can tell by the air ports. This one here off to the top of the unit to get into a void or into an area that the drill just wouldn't fit in. Nobody else does this. We do it. We'd love to do this for you. Cool thing is this customer has many more drills. They've actually got all their pneumatic controls here for a total of 6 units that they're going to receive. And these are doing drilling, tapping, and all of that. Again, automotive industry and magnesium. We would love to serve you and your application. We've got these set up for packing now and just photographic evidence, if you will, of what we built for them. But if you check out AutoDrill.com or give us a ring at 800-871-5022, we would love to assist you with your application. Look at that, ER32. No, those are ER25. That's an ER25 offset head. ER32 single spindle head. Listen, we can do this ER32, ER40, even ER50. Let us know. And it doesn't have to be on an auto drill. It could be on your CNC. It could be on a motor face, your mill, a drill press. Let us know. We'd love to help. Sales at AutoDrill.com.